Good morning. Sorry that we are a little bit late today. Um, let's review the chart first, and then we'll see the quite active overnight. Yesterday we have a very good run in the afternoon. Um, so based on this launching point, we do have some areas here. I have 28. I have 24, and this is the most aggressive area of support, which is 36. In terms of supply, I think this one is an entire supply, but I feel like it's already used up. I won't be taking the supply. On top of that, the overall context on every time frame is um, up, so I don't want to underestimate the market. And I understand that it can continue going up, right? So I have Ale and James on the other side of the line. Good morning, guys.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, everyone.
To let's go check. Is James on? He was right.
Yeah, James. I think he's
Uh
talking.
Something wrong with my mic?
oh yeah. We couldn't hear you, but now yes.
All right.
All right. So this is the execution tab. We're good here. So this is the overnight low and the overnight high. We open right in the middle. You can stop sharing, Ale, if you want to.
Dale, dale.
I'm gonna review the news for today. So in the afternoon, we do have big earnings. Um, we have AMD, Microsoft, Alphabet, and Starbucks. And today earlier had we had Pfizer, GM, and UPS, JetBlue, Marathon Oil. So it's a very busy week in terms of earnings, right? I like to review the shares of the stocks that reported today. So you have GM dropping down less than 1%. Marathon, let's go review them just to have a glance of what is going on. UPS, UPS dropping down, been down a big 6%. Uh, then we have Pfizer up less than 2%. Pfizer chart is ugly, by the way. Pfizer chart is very bearish. All right, let's move on with this chart. So the gap close is here 20 is 49.54.50. Let's see what is going to happen when we get there. Finally, we have our own internals. Be here and then yes, internals. There you go. Let's move them to this screen. RTY is dropping, bro. What the ES is holding.
What's Nasdaq doing? Is it pushing?
Kind of
Uh,
consolidating right now. It's
yeah.
trying to get through the 675 from yesterday.
So it's worth to say that the ES broke to the upside, while the Nasdaq didn't yesterday.
I'm long NQ here through 80. Can't get through the VWAP. Looks like it's trying to go for a gap fill, but it's a little weak. I don't know.
What's the gap fill on the NQ?
Got up to 700.
Yeah, I feel like the internals are very negative. Hmm?
You like the short?
But where at? Gap close?
Gap close?
Yeah, but we don't have any reason to short. Like honestly, what happened at the gap close? I don't. Um. I don't know. I like to see a little bit more, I guess, of a sell off if I want to short. Ifunji took on a spectacular trade yesterday. He got your
Took a
entry.
long, right?
Yeah, he got your entry, and he got his target.
Nice trade. I
Mhm.
found you.
Beautiful.
Nice trade. That's the one I wanted too, but
I
I don't
mean,
know why
you.
I didn't get through
Yeah.
my
Sometimes.
micros. I feel like the NQ could test that B web, 24-hour B web, and then
It's kind of starting to feel like a bear flag. I'm gonna close out, pretty much break even, scratch trade. I don't like it. It's looking weird here. It's really choppy.
Ale, do you know if
pretty
we
long.
have the?
Yeah.
If
You
we
don't
have what?
know if we have um the RTH mid, do we?
The RTH mid?
Yeah, the one that Waze has.
I don't know. I honestly don't know. Honestamente, no.
Might be short here through 70. Like that it's trying to come through this bear flag that I got drawn out here. If we get a close below 70.
Yeah, like I said, look at the tick chart, bro. How are you gonna short with that tick chart? I don't like it too much.
Honestly, what I would like is I would like for it to come down to 42 and I would take a long. Honestly, then target the gap fill. I was planning that trade on the pre-market, but I was like, should I take a pre-market trade? Like, I don't have the
Got
internals.
filled
Like,
there. Short here. Footprint looks nice for downside. It's just caught. It's like consolidation from pre-market here. Still consolidating. Probably gonna get stopped out.
what was your entry?
71, 75. It's trying to go.
Yeah,
Oh
it's
man,
it's dropping nicely. It's not like a flush, but it's
you just got a lot of consolidation, like down to 665. Once it loses 665, I feel like it's gonna be like free money. But right now, it's I don't know, man. I don't like those
yeah.
wicks, man. I was trying to reverse.
Maybe we could get a gap fill.
Well, that's what I thought at first. I mean, I guess it could still try to be doing that.
What's the
Yeah, I
gap
just
fill
got
here?
stopped
Let
out
me see.
there.
The gap fill is almost 700 on the NQ, so we do have a lot of room.
I found the RTH mid, bro.
Where? How?
Yeah, indicators. Type in RTH mid and view up, and it's gonna show up.
On Ninja?
I don't know.
Ah, okay, okay.
Still think it's trying to break down.
Advanced decline is pointing up. Uh, and tick chart is not very strong. I mean, there's no momentum to the downside actually. Do we have any other news event today?
Yeah, 10 o'clock we have something, I think. Jolts got job openings.
Yeah, and consumer confidence.
What's the name of the RTH mid indicator, Franco? RTH mid?
Yeah, type in RTH mid. RTH view up and mid. You will find it. Both of them. View up and the mid.
Oh, RTH PY mid. There you go.
I don't know if we have it here. RTH mid. I'm gonna have to.
The basic line fucking flying.
Yeah. Bro, I want to understand how this volume works, the relative volume. Because what I do is I compare this 30-minute, let's say this what time is this? Let's put the 5 minutes. The first 5 minutes of today is 30,600, right? First 5 minutes yesterday was 23,000. So we have a higher relative volume today on the first candles. See that we're gonna have a breakout today. Wow. Got the advanced decline.
Yeah, it's ridiculous. Ridiculous.
RTY completely shifted. 48 or 49, Ale? What do you say?
For long? Yeah, honestly, yes. Honestly, aggressive entry.
Yeah, I would say stop here and target gap close. Yeah, I need to get 48.
Bro, look at that RTY, bro. Oh my goodness.
Flying. Yeah. If I get filled before the news, I will take it. If not, I will just cancel the order right before the news.
I love it though. I love it though.
Starting to look a
Customer
little bit
confidence.
better on the upside for the NQ. We're developing like a little pivot down here at 65 from
Yeah,
some of
honestly, the NQ is building a nice pullback entry,
It's a lagger though.
like like a 65 ish. Eventually, it's gonna follow through, I guess. We reached 5,000 today in the ES.
Yeah, it's hard, bro. I'd say 48.80, 49.80. It's not a bad. The thing is the range potential.
In my spiritual life. In my spiritual life. Up close? No.
He hasn't. He hasn't yet.
Mm-mm. Why is the gap close on trading view? 49.51.
Bro, but Trading View is all over the place. It's 415. Trading View gives you 415, but the market closes at 4. 450. Those
That's
15
why.
minutes is settlement. So it's 54.50 the gap close. We're gonna have a nice divergence if I get filled in this trade. Dollars coming down. Rates are coming down. VIX is doing nothing. Hmm. Price action is crazy choppy, bro. I don't understand why. And then in the afternoon, just
All-time highs.
flies. Yeah,
If
might be
you
that.
can figure out why, I will never trade another day like this again. Like today and yesterday have been the biggest snooze fest I've ever seen in the market.
Yeah.
What was the reason we had that big spike to the upside yesterday? Like at 3. It was like at 3 p.m.
No news. I was checking the news, but nothing.
I think
I
it was
heard something
earnings,
about
wasn't it?
the.
It wasn't earnings.
No.
No, it was something about government cutting. I saw it. It was something about government. They were cutting something. Government spending or. Let me see. Initial wells. Initial wells.
I thought institutions were trying to position ahead of earnings. I don't know. Just assumed.
Where was it that I saw it?
Yeah, I couldn't find anything.
Stock with. I think it was stock tweet. Tweet.
Do we take this limit order, bro? Ah, with the news is complicated, right?
Uh,
Hmm?
Bro, where was it that I saw it?
Giving the Nas another short play to the downside, giving that a shot, breaking this flag again.
The NQ is honestly the only one that looks a little bit better to the downside because the other ones and the internals are certainly not showing up a weakness. Yeah, I'm canceling this. I'm canceling this. If I have another order, I'll bring it. I'll put this chart on.
Okay, the U.S. Treasury cut department cuts of January and March. The, the U.S. Treasury cut borrowing estimates to
Mm,
760 billion from 800 billion, and it estimates a 200 billion net borrowing for April and June. So that was at
mm.
3 p.m. and I maybe that's the only thing I read.
Yeah, I couldn't find anything.
The U.S. just cutting borrowing.
2 minutes for the news.
Ay ay ay. Thank you is dropping nicely.
Well,
Dropping where? It's been a pain in the
I
ass, bro.
jinxed it. I
You,
jinxed
you
it. I
jinxed
jinxed it.
everything, man.
I jinxed it, bro. My bad. Fuck. Like once I said it, that shit just reversed. Damn. Yo, my bad, bro.
oh my God,
I
Sam
literally
Smith.
said it, bro.
Sam
It was
Smith.
below six. It was below 65. I literally said it, and then now it's at 75. Oh my god.
I need to figure out why this shit is like so chop, 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 man. Between yesterday and today. I know I like it's still an opening half hour. Like I get it.
Markets are just waiting for the earnings. Do we have FOMC tomorrow? Could that be
We got
two?
yeah, I got like a little
Yeah,
It's
we
probably
usually
have
like
a.
that before FOMC.
yeah. Um, any week with I'm not trading until FOMC day, bro. Like anytime I see that those four letters in any of my news tabs for the week, bro, I'm not touching shit until that day.
Come on, give me more downside so I can get a nice long entry.
30 seconds for the news. I am ready to get 48.50 if we happen to have it. You?
Hmm.
You Ale?
I think it's a little that's very aggressive, but internals are that way. Yeah, like
Yeah.
46. The that candle at 932. I like it.
Wow. Wow. And I was short, bro. Give me a fucking break.
Come on, get to 48, motherfucker. Come on, get to 48.
That hurts.
What?
I got stopped
Oh,
out just before that move.
uh,
Yeah, those are the worst ones.
come on, vale. Come to 48, motherfucker.
Give me 48. I don't have a limit though on anything yet.
No, me neither. I'm just ready to go in. So we do have a divergence on the advanced line, which is awesome.
We have a nice divergence.
Hmm. And we have an ad, 10 o'clock ad, motherfuckers.
That's the usual. I have an order of 44. limit.
Really?
43.50. 43.50.
What do you have there?
I'm gonna be
Oh,
that. Yeah, the
yesterday's.
start of the move. I'm gonna be that guy that shorts the goes against this, faces.
Hmm.
Wow. Wow.
What? Oh, the
Very like
downside?
still
NQ.
very weak.
Look at the NQ.
Yeah, and Q is the weakest one.
This fucking dumping.
We couldn't even close the gap, bro. That's not good. I think I'm gonna take this 48.
Or
Yeah, I think I'm gonna take it.
do you have anything there?
Yeah, I have the opening range. Ticket zero. I don't know.
Are you sure?
No, I'm long.
Oh, but you took it.
Yeah, coming up.
You didn't take a limit, right?
No, no. Yeah, but actually it doesn't look very good to the upside right now. Hmm. Hey, I'm not showing my screen. I mean, I did take a limit order, but on this retracement here after it went up. If we don't go above this now, I think I'm gonna cut it actually.
And divergence to the upside today. I think it's where the where 26.
Yeah, I don't know the divergence, yes, but the footprint is showing weakness, bro. A lot of selling here at 48. Yeah, I think it's time to cut it. It's because buyers are not showing up. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna get stopped out. Yeah. Wow, and Tick is now gaining momentum. Wow. It's a lot of selling, bro. That is a lot of selling.
Bro, but it looks good to the upside.
I don't
The
know.
NQ's started to go up. RPY
Yeah,
starting to go up.
NQ's about to squeeze it up. It's holding that 630 from yesterday, man. I don't know. This shit is very difficult. It looked really good for the short. Had that break. I think this is just a
Hmm.
liquidity sweep for institutions to buy shit cheap.
I think we break above 50, then what's avoiding the gap growth, you know?
No, I think this is the level, the 50-50. 50-50 is the level that we need to go above. But tick chart is not going through zero, bro. Yeah. Come on. That's the level that I will need to break. That is the level that we need to break. Yeah. Now I look at the tick chart, bro. Wow. I think I'm gonna grab break even here. Come on, tick. Come on, tick. Come on, tick. Tick chart is the one that needs to help me.
Short here, NQ through 55.
Really?
Giving it a
Damn.
shot. I mean, it retraced like 80% of the move right there. Looking like another bear flag. It looks very similar to what we just had like 30 minutes ago. T1, see what I get on the rest. I don't know. Could just fuck me again, but
Yeah, I don't know. I think I'm gonna get break even here, bro. Honestly, I don't feel like this is gonna remotely going to work. A little bit frustrating. There is a lot of selling, bro. There is a lot of selling going on.
just trying to hold pre-market low right now. Got a little consolidation in here. Might try to bounce back up. Here she goes. Hot fucking garbage.
Yeah, I need help from the tick chart.
The good thing is texture has no momentum to the downside.
It has no momentum to the downside. That's good, but it's below zero, bro. So every time it's below zero, it does this shit. You know, it goes up two, it goes down 1.5. It goes up two, it goes down 1.5, and then my trade doesn't get target. Yeah, being below zero, bro, is no bueno for the long. Yeah, I think I'm gonna grab break even, bro. I don't feel very confident with this trade.
Now we're starting to see initially selling on the take. Nah, I don't like it.
Yeah, me neither. What about the advanced decline? Still, we have divergence, right?
Yeah, we saw the divergence, but let's be objective here. It's coming down aggressively.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's on you, bro.
What?
Decide if you want to get out break even or
I,
you want to
I'm
just
a,
gonna wait it out.
I'm a break even. I don't know if it's going to work, bro. So let's give it a one more shot.
The good thing is that tick probably is getting exhausted.
That's one thing.
Uh,
That's one thing that I'm thinking of, but
Like look at the aggressive print and look at the move on the market. Like
not much.
exactly.
Yeah, but it doesn't go above. Yeah, let's go above 50. Come on, let's go. I feel like if we try again 50-50, we might have a squeeze. But we need to try that. Yeah, I don't feel like this is to work.
That 48 is important. It needs to hold.
Yeah. Fuck, bro. Yeah.
Short here
Mm.
again, NQ. Bear flag break. Wow. Wow. Yeah. It's starting to look like the move is up. I don't know when it's going to happen, but I mean, buyers are just too strong down here. There's no follow through to the downside.
Yeah, that's the thing. I held on to my trade because of the tick chart was exhausted, but now on the next move down, I will just move my stop break even. I won't. I will hold. I will not hold on into this trade. I feel if we break this 50-50 again, we might have the chance to get to target, bro.
That 52, if we break it, do you get a squeeze?
52. I don't believe 52 too much. The original area is to the
Oh
left.
yeah, 50, 51, 50. Sorry, 51.
Yeah, but
Those
yeah,
plates right there.
but we're not able
Right
even.
above 50, 50.
Yeah, we're not able even to break that shit, bro. What's the tick doing? Still negative. Ah,
Bro,
yeah,
just give it a second. We're consolidating here.
yeah. But look where my stop is, bro. It's right there. Like I
The
could
thing
get.
was the the
Hmm?
the entry,
Mm-hmm.
but I I don't know. I don't see. I don't feel like we have a lot of momentum to the downside.
Yeah, I know, but I'm just grabbing my money. Come on.
That 48 is holding really well. I'll tell you that.
Footprint is saying we are about to squeeze upside hard. I don't
I
know.
hope you're right this time. I this time I do. I hope you're
I
right.
hope you're right. We hope you're on the on the good side this time.
Yeah, I'm moving my stuff. Forget about it.
Just the dollar, bro. That's why I was so bearish.
RTY.
The dollar's been straight the fuck up, like blast off, and
Yeah, yeah.
I
It's
don't know,
too
man.
much. It's too,
Just
yeah,
take
I'm
every
out of
fucking
it.
internal I have off my screen, bro. This shit is
I'm
so
out of
fucking.
it. Break even.
Yeah, bro. Look at Bansic line.
Yeah. 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 Tick chart is showing signs of selling, bro. Hmm?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, but this
It
thing
looks
is
like
not
it wants to
following
go for the
through.
VWAP, at least on the NQ.
Bro, this price
70.
action is dog water.
Look at the 10-year yield. Look at the 10-year yield, bro. Wow. You see the dollar? I'm impressed these markets are not dropping. Look at the dollar.
What I've been saying, bro, this shit should be down, dude. Like, it's
Mm-hmm.
fucking. Who is buying? Who is buying this?
I am. I was buying.
Well, there you go. Discount. I guess. I don't know. The market's just too strong. I guess. I mean, we're overbought on all the higher time frames. Shit just doesn't give a fuck right now. And then people wonder why we get into recessions. Like even right now, it's like 5 minute bear flagging, taking forever to break down. And I bet you it squeezes too, because majority of retail are probably short right now, so they're just gonna push it up.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you are right. You are exactly right.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, shit price action. Shit price action. That's the only name for this.
Big chart is very negative, bro. No momentum, but the market hasn't moved. So there is no reason for it to have momentum actually. But I think right now and look also the advanced line, bro. It's negative 900 and coming down. The fuck.
Mamma mia. Bro, the NQ looks so sad. It's just
Yeah.
waking
Same
up,
for
waking down, and then staying sideways. Just staying there.
same for the ES.
The Dow looks weaker than all of them. The
Bro,
Russell, sorry, the Russell
I'm
looks the
starting
weakest,
to
but
I'm
like the
starting to
short.
like I'm starting to like the 44 that you say or 43.
If we still have this price action,
Coño, bro. Ah, huevona, marico. ¿Qué pasa,
that's
marico?
this price action is like
Have a
that.
little respect, bro.
The price action is literally that.
Yeah, but I'm starting to like the 44. That pre-market support.
That's a little summary of what this price action feels like.
I think eventually it will break, but we will have these 44. Are you taking it or no?
No, no, I don't like any of this. I'll take 30, that's for sure. If we go down to 30, that's an automatic fade for me. That launching point at 30. Are you gonna take 44?
No. Take chart is too negative.
Trying to break through this bear flag again. Jeez, man. I don't know.
Now the ES did break.
Oh,
The
yes, it's
ES
trying to break down.
no, the ES broke to the downside.
Well, the NQ
Mm,
is being stubborn,
yeah,
and
the NQ is holding.
it is hurting my feelings right now.
That was it. You see that?
Hmm.
44 was good. But how do you take 44 with that tick? It doesn't have too much momentum though. If you figure, it's very negative, but it doesn't have momentum.
Also, what comes into play, bro, is or the bigger time frame bias.
Mm-hmm.
Like yes, it may not look as attractive, but we're in a we're in a bullish environment. I might think about taking 42.50, 42.50, 43.
Um, I'm gonna I'm gonna step away for a few minutes. Ya vengo. Bro, 44 was the entry. See that? Yo. Yeah.
I don't I don't think we're gonna got him filled though. That's what happened to me yesterday. It tapped 43 and or whatever the number was, 23, 13, 33, I don't know what it was. And it just left without me.
Yeah. Now everything shifted.
Would you have gotten stopped out if you would have
Yeah,
been
yeah,
still been
yeah.
fit? ¿Qué estás haciendo? Did you work out yesterday?
Yeah, we're about to go to the VWAP on the NQ, bro. Shit is it's ridiculous to the upside, man. Uh,
Will you take that 44 again? A little bit. The 46.
Yeah, I'm gonna select the foot.
But I don't think you're gonna find anything on the footprint because there's no volume. Like there's literally no volume.
What time was
Is there
this?
a way to
9.
see like the relative volume of the whole day, like the whole entire day, or I wanna
Always,
I wanna start learning.
always has
I
it.
wanna I wanna start learning a little bit more about volume.
Yeah. Always has
I feel
it.
like volume is
Uh,
so important.
always has it on Vulkan. How important is to know the levels? Look at the 50-50, bro. Hmm? Right now, Dick chart looks a lot better, bro.
For the long.
Mm-hmm. Absolutely no momentum to the downside.
Bro, there's a random car parked in front of my house. Like a random ass car. A
Hey.
random Lincoln. Literally just parked right next to my car. What the fuck? Like
Yes.
literally. What the fuck? The actual fuck. Like motherfucker just parked again in front of the house. Here it goes.
Yeah, I will not take 44 again.
No.
Mm-mm. Probably overnight low, 41.
That's my 21 and 43. What do you say, 41.50?
Either 41. Either 41 is not bad.
215 might get spicy.
I hope it does. It was very boring. Bro, it's happening the same. Remember that trade that I got in last week? And I had to close it early because I couldn't handle it. It's
Mm-hmm.
happening
Mm-hmm.
the same exact thing. The same exact thing.
To the downside?
Yeah, it's happening the same exact thing. I'm not saying I'm gonna, like, I don't know. It just gives me the same, like, the same patterns, honestly.
Marico, a mí no me disgusta 43 quarters, ¿oíste? Overnight low.
$43, 42.50. Is it too cheap? Wait, 43 quarters or
Mm-hmm.
43 one quarter?
No, 43 quarters. Like I'm gonna set it up.
Isn't that the overnight low?
Mm-hmm. sir.
Oh,
Then I'm gonna take
oh, too late.
4150.
It's the lady of the balloon.
Wait, dale.
Yeah, 4150. You
4120.
know, it's funny. I had that as my. I had a limit order pre market, and it was 4150. It
I
never
like this
got to me.
4125. Let's see if we can get it.
I wish I would have gotten that 4150 in pre market. That would have been my first pre market trade.
Bro, actually, 1026. 44, 3/4. And what's the low? 4450, yeah. The COT for the candle is working. Yogurt, 7 Sundays, and raspberries.
And Sundays.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, sure.
Well, you fit in my micros, bro. One third of
Your macros.
one third of serving. Ghana from Mongolia, welcome.
You're making. Oh,
What?
you're making lower highs though.
Yeah, that's relative, bro. I don't actually don't pay attention to that shit.
You don't pay attention to market structure?
I do, I do, but not in such a lower time frame. It's
Oh,
too
okay,
much
okay.
noise. Yeah, I do, but not in. I watched the share bar, bro. 2000 share bar. We can do lower highs, higher lows, whatever, and then break the entire structure. That doesn't mean I don't pay attention to that on the advanced decline. Though. Advanced decline is different. I do pay attention to that. Is this what you call a descending wedge or no?
uh, flat, no,
No,
flat bottom.
not on NQ. I don't know what the ES is doing, but not on NQ.
When
All
you're
right,
making
so
higher lows, no, lower lows, no,
all
lower
right,
high.
look at the NQ from in the
Look at the
5 minutes.
VIX. If the ES looks like the VIX, that's a descending wedge. Like from the open, it's like a, it's like a.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, yeah. So ES is doing this
So
again.
if it breaks to the upside, you would argue that it's bullish, right? If
Yeah,
it,
generally, if it breaks out upside, then it'll continue in that direction to the upside. All right, so NQ is finally letting go of this 630 level. So
Elsa,
we get some consolidation down here, like below it, further downside to come. Like for sure, should be. 'Cause yesterday at 630 was a huge level. Like it held that thing. That was the one that it held like 10 times.
I have Elsa playing on the background, bro.
Oh,
I got your Elsa. We're gonna get hit with the copyright strike. Doesn't matter. I hope this thing breaks to the downside so I can get filled here at 41. Honestly,
bro, you're still bull. Sell me that. Sell me the bull plate. How? Because of higher time frame, we're still in the uptrend.
that's number one. Number two is a tick chart negative extreme since 1029 is minus 300 and the market is coming down. Now we have a bullish divergence on the advanced decline. We had a low at 1030, right? And we're making a new fresh low on the S&P, but the advanced decline is a lot higher. So that's another argument. Number three, we do have a pause yesterday after the craziness of 3 in the afternoon, and that coincides with the overnight low, and that's my entry. Is that
Bro,
is that okay?
daily chart. Yeah, I see. It's just like, bro, like what is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We've almost had 13 bullish days in a row. We had one drawdown, like one pullback. I don't know, man. This thing right here, bro. No, I'm sorry. I'm looking at the weekly chart, not the daily chart. The weekly chart. 13 weeks in a row to the upside, bro.
Yeah, yeah. Well, we'll keep dancing the same music, bro, until it starts going down. If not, we're gonna get crushed trying to short while this thing is going up.
Yeah, I don't try to short every day, but like today, like the 15-minute chart looked bearish, man.
It's
5-minute chart.
garbage. How you say it's garbage? It's just it's garbage.
I'm gonna put a short on the sim.
We're at
Just a random trade, like a 47.50.
if this bounces from here, in hindsight, it's gonna be a very difficult day to trade because I have nothing there. Near 15.
Is it gonna go up or down?
Nah, we're back above 630 on the NQ, bro. It's just it's not gonna let it go. We're still gonna go up. Just wait for a big bear bar like that, and then hit the buy button. Like that's literally all they're doing right now.
Oh, bro, I think this is the most boring trading day in a while. No, wow. Most boring trading day in a while. It just gets bought up.
The Roach Army is in full force today, brothers.
What does that mean? Excuse me.
Means if it comes down 3 ticks, expect somebody on the opposite side of the trade to
Oh,
come take it.
yeah, 100%.
Ay, ay, ay.
Lower low, lower high, 40 minutes of consolidation, pop back up to the high, lower low, lower high. Now we're about to get another 30 minutes of consolidation. I don't know. Hot trash.
Where is your buy, Ale?
My buy
Mm-hmm.
at 44.
So you have a buy order there right now?
My cover. It's a cover.
No, 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 no. Your real account trade.
Oh, bro, 42.50. 42.50.
I like that.
Yeah, but is it really worth it? Like trading this?
Yeah, tradable
I don't
reaction.
know.
I'm down 2R and I'm happy with it. So my answer to that question would be no.
Yeah, we haven't traded actually. I had a break even. Ale has not taken anything.
Nothing.
Bro, look at the VIX, bro. Look at VIX. Oh my god.
Yeah, and then look at the price action. Like the dollar is way up, the VIX is way down, and we're not going anywhere.
Yeah, everything is off, right?
Yeah,
It's like very odd that this thing is behaving like this.
Jesus. FOMC, bro. That's what happens with an FOMC.
100%. I think you hit the nail on the head with that one. As soon as you said FOMC earlier, I should have just turned my shit off. These are the only weeks, man. Like FOMC weeks, I don't know what it is about them, but I
It's
get
always like this, bro. And we have big catalysts this week. Don't we have Apple? Amazon Apple on
Mm-hmm.
Thursday.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Honestly, it's better to stay cash in this type of days. Honestly. Try to gain knowledge from the market. Try to gain patience. And just not take anything unless it's really there. But yesterday, that 43 or whatever, 13 or 23, should have taken it. Didn't get filled. And I'm not gonna force a trade, bro. You know, like Jesus. Nice.
now we squeeze upside.
So you think now we're gonna make us think it's gonna squeeze, then they bring it back down. Now they think we're gonna flush, they bring it back up.
We get through pre-market low. It should rotate. But we haven't even touched. When's the last time we hit the VWAP, bro? Like we haven't touched the VWAP since
I think we keep touching the B web
this
on the
morning,
ES.
5 a.m., bro. NQ
I don't,
hasn't touched the VWAP since 5 a.m.
is this the RTH B web on the?
Yeah,
Yeah.
fucking 0500, bro. That is nuts.
Here comes a sell-off. Gazzetta dello Sport.
I'm about to take a long off of 6:30, bro. I feel like this shit about to hold again.
You just told me you were not gonna trade anymore. Stop,
I'm gonna
Bro,
trade.
bro,
I have to
bro.
trade.
you're gonna take
What are
the
you
long
doing,
there. It's
James?
gonna break down.
What are you doing? What are you doing, James? You told me
Bro, look at
2 hours
6:30,
enough.
man.
Negative 2 hours enough for this type of day.
Yeah, it's a trash day. It is a trash day.
Hmm.
Look at 6:30, man. Fuck.
Oh shit. Oh, no, 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 no.
What?
I'm doing no fucking way. I am scanning for. I am scanning for some stocks and I didn't save the scanner and I and I forgot one parameter. Oh shit. Are you gonna work out with me today, Ale, or no? Huh? Yo. Yo, you there?
You,
Is Ali gone?
I don't know. I thought I just heard him sigh, but I'm not sure.
Hello? Hello?
He's talking
I
now.
was I was talking to you,
Hello?
bro. Yo,
Hello? Hello? Is there no
your
one here?
mic. Your mic. No.
Yeah, he can't hear us.
Yeah.
Wait, let me see something. All right. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yo.
Hello?
Yo.
Yo. Marico, no escuchaba nada, bro. I thought you were not talking.
You know, I was talking. Do you wanna go work out
Bro,
or
have you taken anything? What?
nada? Nada.
Uh,
You wanna go work out?
I don't have the membership for the gym yet. I don't think I'm gonna
Nunca.
get it yet, honestly.
No?
No, because why would I like, bro? It's okay. It's a good deal, but it's also $600.
No, marico, it's free,
It's
bro.
a it's a fire deal, but it's also $600. Like, it's like what, $20 a month?
Yeah, bro. For 2 years
That's
of
a fire deal.
membership,
It's a
it's
fire deal. Don't get me wrong, but it's 600. It's 600.
I know,
I'm
but
just trying to I'm just trying to like take it easy with the expenses this month. I mean, this month, like the next few months until I graduate, just
mm,
try to take it easy with the expenses, and then after, so like fucking start once I start getting my payouts and everything lines up, like probably after I graduate, that's gonna be the time frame. So I'm gonna start getting my payouts.
got it.
So everything is hopefully everything lines up. I will see because I know someone that knows someone there that they can let me in for free. So let's see if one day, like maybe on Fridays, I'm gonna ask her if she can let me in for free. Bro, we've been on a range. How long has this? How how much is this? 7 points, bro. 7 point range. Oh my god. Mm. Have you eaten ribeye?
I ate on Sunday.
You ate on Sunday?
Mm-hmm.
You went to your house on Sunday?
No, I made it here. I bought a cast iron skillet. It was not the same, but it was not bad. I just need to improve my
Your salad
skills.
skills?
Yeah, my skills to cook in
Your
the
salad skills? Do you take the oil, grandma's oil, or no? You
No, I
left it.
didn't. Yeah, I left
You
it.
left it.
Yeah, I forgot, but I probably have to go either today or tomorrow because I'm gonna go pick up Emma.
Okay.
I might take the other things that I have.
How much? How much you have left of it?
Water bottle, probably.
No, no, like in general, like things, like personal things.
Oh, a lot. I love, but I don't have space here.
It's been a week, right? Since you moved. Today's a week.
Yeah,
How has it been?
and I feel okay, bro. I sleep. If I sleep well,
That's all that matters.
I mean that's a
Right.
sign. That's a sign of feeling okay.
Peace.
Lack of sleep. Yeah, lack of sleep is what you don't want, right?
Nah, bro.
But
I
I
slept
don't have
horrible last night.
I don't have lack of sleep.
I slept horrible. I slept 5 hours and 50 minutes. My chest started hurting in the middle of my sleep, like bad.
Why?
And then I have an infection, and it was itching a lot too. Like in the middle of the night, bro. So it was just itching. Horrible. Damn, James, you should have taken the long, bro. Why do you listen to me?
You mean why did I listen to you?
Yeah, I told you to take it.
Nah, today's ass. Even like I probably would have got break even like 5 times. If I could have took that trade like 5 times off of 630, and every one of them would have ended up break even, bro. Look at the wicks. There's so many wicks, man.
We haven't even gotten the gap close. That's crazy.
I feel like it's still gonna go up there, bro. This should have broke down a long time ago, man. Like,
I think it's gonna break all time highs again. What's the price of Spy? Like 490?
I don't even know.
Spy
Hmm.
491, bro. That is insanity. That is insanity. It just keeps going up. Le da el carro la gorda. Ah, revisa el bolso ahí. El bolsillo de ese bolso. El bolsillo delante. Yeah, I think I'm gonna make lunch, bro. I think I'm gonna call it a day.
Yep, ditto. I think I'm out of here. I can't. I
I
cannot
think I'm
be
gonna call
bothered.
it a day. No
Dale,
price action, bro. Worst day. I think this has been the worst day, I think, since like summer. Honestly.
I'm gonna stay for a little bit longer
Are you gonna take anything though or no?
though. Not that I'm aware of.
Mm-hmm.
Not right now. Uh,
I
I'm gonna wait.
have to go to CVS. All right.
See you later.
Right,
Take
dude.
care, everybody.
Catch y'all
See
tomorrow.
you tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow's a better day, which I doubt it. But
Yeah, I hope so as well.
all right.
Stay safe.
Take care.
Avoid the
Bye bye.
chop. Later, guys.
Yeah, I'm gonna stay a little bit here. Yes. I was long here, but yeah. So the long was the answer today too. Um yeah, I wouldn't attend the short unless it's something like really meaningful. There's no reason. Remember, on first test, unless we have an event I call, I don't know, the Fed turn its policy completely, or I don't know, something like really really meaningful that will turn the perspective of the market. The first test of every zone is gonna work to the upside. I don't see the reason why not. Hmm. All right, guys, I'm gonna leave you. I'm gonna leave it like this. I'll be back tomorrow at the same time. Trade safe. No trades for me today. Yeah, one trade break even. I wanted to take the long down here. I mean, we talked about 44, but honestly, in this choppiness, it was very hard. And like I said, if this bounces from here, in hindsight, you can see that it was going to be a very hard day to trade. So yeah, it's better just stay away from it if you don't have like a good setup. We will have volatility tomorrow and the rest of the week. We have a lot of news, jobs, FOMC, earnings. So we will have plenty of opportunities. Okay. All right. See you tomorrow. Have a nice day. Trade safe.